The 4800 psi electric pressure washer kit is a robust cleaning tool with a powerful 1800 watts motor that delivers up to 4,800 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it ideal for tackling stubborn dirt and grime. This pressure washer comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles that allow you to adjust the pressure from 0 to 40 degrees, providing versatility for various cleaning tasks around your home or garden. With a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 16-foot power cord, you can easily maneuver around your vehicle or patio without the hassle of constantly repositioning the washer. The total stop system is a standout feature, automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, which not only saves energy, but also extends the life of the pump. Designed with convenience in mind, the pressure washer features a wheeled upright trolley that makes transport easy, and the mesh stock can securely hold the spray gun. The built-in cable hook and compact design ensure that storing the pressure washer is simple, keeping your space tidy and organized when not in use.